Whoa! Do you find yourself in need of some rest and relaxation?
You can use essential oils to help you relax with this recipe.
Let us teach you how.
This recipe is called To Moon and Back, and it's inspired by my daughter. So this on-the-go support will help you rest better.
This recipe uses a 3% dilution rate, so you could cut that in half and make sure that it's kid-friendly.
From your recipe box, you'll want to grab your labels and your recipe card, along with Sleepy and Copaiba essential oils.
And from your big bonus box, you are going to want to grab your fractionated coconut oil and also one of your 10 milliliter roll-on bottles.
To start, open up your roll-on bottle and remove that roller top. If you've got a funnel, it's helpful, otherwise you can just drop the essential oils in. We're going to be adding 4 drops of Sleepy and 2 drops of Copaiba. If you want to make this kid-friendly, you can do 2 drops of Sleepy and 1 drop of Copaiba. Now we're going to give that a little swirl to mix the oils together. And then we're going to fill up our roll-on the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Fractionated coconut oil is an oil that safely dilutes essential oils so that it can be put on our skin. Now we just put the cap back on and shake or swirl to mix. Next, label it and it's ready to be used. You can apply it to pulse points and the bottoms of your feet to help you rest easier.
Oh, it smells so nice.
To get everything you need for this recipe, go to simplyearth.com/box.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe now button. You'll get all kinds of cool content like our free hero course as well as a big bonus box. Thanks for watching.